a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja and we're back with another wig from LUVME Hair. So today we're back with one of their units and I just wanted to show you guys their packaging. So if you guys follow my channel, you know that I install a lot of wigs from LUVME Hair. I really like working with their company. So today's wig is not a glueless unit, but the quality remains the same whether it's glueless, closure units, or frontal unit. So this wig that we're working with is their 10-inch blonde highlighted unit, and of course you know their wigs come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, with the strap on, ready to wear. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. Be putting on a wig cap. Alright guys, this is what it's looking like. Super pretty. I love it. Like, it fits me so good. Like, it just blends so good. Like, look at this. This is it. Let's go ahead and cut this lace off and install my Even Wonder as usual. I might go like in between both of them. Yeah, I might go in between both of them, but nevertheless I will be using these two glues, Even Wonder. I got them on Amazon. So let's go ahead and move to the install.
'Cause I find my way. 'Cause I find my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I find my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way. A new place, a new home for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
The lace melts great. Like, this is it. Right now I'm about to tie it down, let it dry, but it is giving us natural. It is completely melted. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down while we finish styling our unit.
Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way. In the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. It is super pretty. I love the color, and the best part about this wig, it is super versatile. Like, if I don't want it to be like a skunk stripe wig, then I could just literally color it and it would be the perfect highlighted wig. And I love what it's giving off right now. Super cute. The lace melts great, and that nice C part is just perfect. Overall, I really love the unit. It is super gorgeous. I love the fact that the lace melts this good. And another thing I love about it, it is 100% versatile. When I say versatile, I could literally choose to style it however I want. It could be worn in a nice C part as it is now. And what I realized is that if I don't want like an over the top blonde unit, then I could literally style it like this. But if I wanted to show more of the blonde, then I would just revert to showing that. It smells great, super pretty. I just love this unit. Again, this unit is from LUVME Hair, and this is their summer blonde highlighted blunt cut bob. I love it. It is super pretty and perfect for summer. I will be linking the hair down below if you guys want to go ahead and purchase, then click that link in my description. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.
I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.